This is a fit for a 2017 through 2020 and likely beyond Audi Q7 with the factory installed flush side rails, which have fixed point connections on the top surface. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AreoBlade load bars with integrated feet. This is part number 7604B for the front position, and it offers 38 inches of usable space between the feet. It is connected to the flush side rail fixed point using Fit Kit 3145. This positions the crossbars in a fixed position from front to rear, center to center at 31.5 inches. The rear AreoBlade Edge load bar is part number 7603B. It offers 36.5 inches between the feet of usable crossbar space. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. The system offers 165-pound load carrying capability. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.